This exam application tutorial is on the topic of interdependence. The question for 6 marks, using examples, explain how parasite survival depends on the presence of other species. In other words, define what a parasitic relationship is and describe at least 3 examples of parasitic relationships. And I've got images of all the ones you need to know over here to help you remember. So firstly, a parasitic relationship is one where the organism benefits, but the host suffers. So parasites live off a host organism, reducing their fitness. That would get you a mark. There are many examples of parasitic relationships, for example, and now we just list them. Fleas suck the blood of dogs and other animals, so you can see that here. Head lice feed off blood from human scalps, and you can see that here. Mistletoe bury their roots into the vascular system, in other words, the xylem and phloem of other plants. So you can see they drill their roots through and tap into the xylem and phloem, absorbing nutrients and impairing the growth of the host plant. So because they're basically stealing the nutrients, there's less nutrients for the host plant to grow. So their growth is stunted, it's impaired, it's slowed down. Tapeworms live in the human gut down here. They can be really long. You can see a huge tapeworm here. And they feed off digested food, impairing human growth. Because they feed off the food we eat, there's less food for us to be absorbed and used for growth. You could also get the flip side of this question, so it might ask you to explain some examples of mutualistic relationships. So please watch the video and learn those as well, the video on interdependence. It would be exactly the same idea, but you'd be describing what a mutualistic relationship is, one where both organisms benefit, and then you'd just be listing examples like I've done here for parasites.